Hello friends, today we are going to learn standard 10 subject maths 1 in that chapter number 3 arithmetic progression. Today we are going to study about sum of first n terms of an AP. Find out the sum of first n terms of an arithmetic progression. In that practice set 3.3. Question number 1. First term and common difference of an AP are 6 and 3 respectively. Then find S27. There is an activity given. We have to complete the given activity by filling the boxes. A is equal to 6 given. D is equal to 3. Find out S27. Then sum of first n terms of an AP. Formula for that is Sn is equal to n upon 2 into dash plus n minus 1 into d, that is fill in the box, it is 2a. Then Sn, value of n is, we have to find out S27, therefore value of n is 27. Then S27 equal to 27 upon 2 into 12 plus 27 minus 1 into value of d. Now value of d is 3. Therefore the second box is 3 equal to 27 upon 2 into, now 12 plus 27 minus 1 is 26 and 26 3s are is 78 and 78 plus 12 is 90. This box contains 90. Now 2 1s are 2 and 2 45s are 90. Therefore 27 into 45. Then 27 into 45, multiply these two numbers, then we get the number that is 1215, means 1215. 1215. Therefore value of S27 is 1215. Okay. Now question number 2 is find the sum of first 123 even natural numbers. First 123 even natural numbers. Second example. We know even natural numbers. Those are 2, 4, 6, dash into 2n, up to 2n. We have to find out such 123 even natural numbers. Then we have A, that is first term T1 is equal to 2, and D means difference between any two consecutive terms. It is even number, therefore difference is 2. Then value of n, we have to find out sum of first 123 even natural numbers, therefore n is equal to 123. Now find Sn, sum of, formula for that is Sn is equal to n upon 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Now put the values. Then value of n is 123. Again 123 upon 2. Here 2 into a. Value of a is 2 plus n is 123 minus 1 into d. Value of d is also 2. Now 123 upon 2 into 2 2s are 4. 123 minus 1 is 122 into 2. Then we get 123 upon 2 and 4 plus 122 into 2 is 244. Multiply. Then 123 upon 2 into 4 plus 244 is 248. Divide 248 by 2. 2 1s are 2. 2 1s are 2 2s and 2 4s are. Means 123 into 124. We have to multiply these two. Then we get the number 15,252. Therefore, we can say that the sum of first 123 even natural numbers is 15,252. Got it? Okay. Now similarly we can solve third example. Now we will take fourth example. Now we will see question number 4. In an AP, 19 term is 52 and 38 term is 128. Then find the sum of first 56 terms. Given is 19 term is 52. Question number 4. 19 term is T19 is 52 and 38 term is 128. Means T38 is 128. We know formula for nth term, that is Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. 19 term is given, put n is equal to 19, T19 is equal to a plus n minus n is 19 minus 1 into d. T19 term is 52 equal to a plus 19 minus 1 is 18d. Therefore, we get a plus 18d is equal to 52. This is equation number 1, suppose. Now equation number 2. Take n is equal to 38. Then we have T38 is equal to a plus 38 minus 1 into d. But value of T38 is given. It is 128 equal to a plus 38 minus 1 is 37d. Therefore, we have a plus 37d is equal to 128. Equation number 2. Now solve these two simultaneous equations. A plus 18d equal to 52 and a plus 37d equal to 128. A, we have to neglect a. Therefore, subtract equation 2 from 1. A plus 18d equal to 52 and a plus 37d equal to 128. We know at the time of subtraction, change all the signs of second equation. A minus a plus becomes minus, plus becomes minus. A minus a is cancelled. 18d minus 37d is minus 19d equal to, now 52 minus 128 is minus 76. Therefore, we have minus minus becomes plus, means 19d equal to 76. Therefore, d is equal to 76 upon 19, 1 za and 4 za. Therefore, we have d is equal to 4. Now, or by adding also we can get the same values. If we find out values of b and a, then put it in sum of n terms, or by adding these two equations, then we get third equation. Both the methods we can solve same examples. D is equal to 4. Now put D is equal to 4 in equation 1. Suppose equation 1 is a plus 18d. 18 into 4 is equal to 52. Therefore, a plus 18 4s are 72 equal to 52. Now a is equal to 52 plus 72 goes to RHS side, it will become minus 72. Therefore, value of a is minus 20. Now find the sum of first 56 terms. Now we know value of a is minus 20, d is 4, n is 56. Find sum of first 56 terms. Then we know the formula for Sn, sum of n terms of an AP, n upon 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Put the values. Value of n is 56, therefore S 56 is equal to 56 upon 2 into 2 into a is minus 20 plus n is 56 minus 1 into d is 4. 2 1s are 2 2s are 4 and 2 8s are 16. It's 28 into minus 22s are minus 40 plus 56 minus 1 is 55 into 4. 28 minus 40 plus 55 4s are 4 5s are 20 is to 0 carry 2 4 5s are 20 plus 2 22 220 is 28 into minus 40 plus 220 it is 180. Now multiply 28 by 180. 28 into 180. The answer is 5040. Because 28 zeros are 0 or 0 0. 18 8s are 144. Carry 14. 18 to the 36 plus 14 50. Means value of S 56 is 5040. Means sum of first 56 terms is 5040 of this AP. Got it? Okay. Thank you very much. Please subscribe my channel, like and share my videos to your friends. Thank you very much. Thank you friends.